This is Clue the mobile game. The page you open up to is the login page. If you don't already have an account, you can create a new one. Once you fill in all the sections, it adds the account to the MySQL database, and then you go back to the sign-in page where you can use your newly created account. Once you sign in, this takes you to the home page where you can navigate to the rules page. Here you can see the goal of the game, and it scrolls here. You can also see how to play step by step, and it also scrolls here. You can either go back to the home page or you can go to the settings page where you can change your password and username or just log out. You can also go to the settings page from the home page.
Hello, and welcome to my really terrible rendition of Everything Broke as I went to record this. So anyway, as you saw before, we have our home screen, which has a host and a join. So I am theoretically logged in as the testing uh, user, and if the test user wants to host, this button will take them to our hosting page, to which they can choose their maximum amount of players, which we have 3, 4, 5, and 6. He's gonna choose the 3 and then choose a game code. So say that I am going to put ABC as the game code, and I'm gonna make a lobby. The lobby will then be created and you'll be sent to this page. The code will be displayed and the number of players out of the max will also be displayed. Only the host player will have the start game button. But say we log in as a different user, this is me, and they go to join, so they do the join instead. They would put here the ABC game code, hit join game, which would take them to the lobby, and their name would pop up on the lobby screen. So then the host will see both the newly joined player and their name, and they can choose to start the game, which will bring all players to a character selection screen, which they will go ahead and choose their characters and hit the choose character button. Once everyone has chosen their characters, they will be sent to the actual game screen, which you'll see more of later on. The more important part for this is our chatting system. So if Mia here wanted to tell the host, just a little hi message, if she could, okay, theoretically, let's say Mia sent hi and hit send, then the test will see the username and the message that they sent.
And now we have the main game. For this example, I chose Miss Scarlet down here. When it's the user's turn, they can swipe in any direction to move their respective game piece. So if I swipe up, they move to one space up. Once they move, they cannot go back to their starting places. So if I try to swipe down, it won't let me. And if they hit a wall, you can see I'm trying to swipe left, they can't face through any walls. The only way that they can go into a room is if they go through any openings. So if I move up and to the left, now I can enter the conservatory.
The game also displays the cards and the checklist. The cards displayed are all the cards in the game. The checklist items can be checked and saved so the user can view the checklist multiple times to see all the information they have and add more information.